Okay, let's have a look at this one. This is a Citroen VTS, and we're going to locate the OBD II port and the fuses. So, on this one, glove box. There it is. That looks like a 16 pin. Have a better look. That's mini spade type fuses. That's the standard, not standard, low profile fuse. And just tucked underneath there is a standard fuse, and that's another spade type fuse. Right, there are more in the engine bay, so we'll head over there. As for the diagram, again, because refer back to the owner's manual. If you don't have one, then Haynes manual, or I'm sure Google or something will have them there. Right, bloody hell. Right, the engine bay. Wow, that's flimsy. Right, well, while we're here, we're going to disconnect the battery. Right, so simple fuse. Standard type blade fuse, mini fuses. But you see there again, it still hasn't got the diagram.